G'day everyone, Endurance Aaron here and welcome to my channel. Got yourself a flat tyre? Or maybe you've taken a chunk out of your tyre. You're going to have to replace your inner tube as well as a new tyre. But first you're going to need some tools. You can't just do it with a pump alone, you're going to need a tyre lever. This tyre lever is going to help you remove your tyre so you can get that inner tube out and then pop your new tyre straight on the rim. So follow me, I'll show you what to do. The first step is to remove the back wheel. You can do this by unwinding, releasing the cog and removing your wheel from the bike frame. The next step is to deflate your tyre fully. It's important to remember to pinch your tyre to release the tension from the rim. Now you want to use your tyre lever. Using the smaller lever, leverage up the tyre, removing from the rim and clip onto the spoke. Now using your second lever approximately 2 inches across, lever up the tyre and remove the tyre from the rim. Now it's time to remove your inner tube from underneath the tyre and off the rim. You should now easily be able to remove the tyre and feel the rim for any imperfections that may puncture your tube. When grabbing your new tyre, look for the rotational direction. Now that you're happy you have the rotational direction correct, you can fit half the tyre back onto the rim. Align the writing near the valve hole. Before you place the tube back in, you should partially inflate the tube to help it keep its shape and to avoid any future pinch flats. Now by placing the valve back through the valve hole, you can begin to feed the inner tube back inside and underneath the new tyre. Once the tube is in, you can use your thumbs to place the tyre back over the rim. But for the last little bit, you will once again need to use your lever to get that tyre safely onto the rim. Be sure to inspect your tyre and pinch it all the way around. Now that those steps are complete, it's time to put our wheel back onto the bike. The final step before hitting the tarmac is to pump up the tyres to your preferred PSI. Road tyres typically run anywhere between 65 to 95 PSI, depending on road surfaces and your personal preference. Alright, so there we have it. I hope those tips have helped you. Next time you get a flat, you know how to replace that inner tube as well as put on a brand new tyre. Because if you're like me, you tend to take chunks out of your tyres because you can't see the potholes. Silly me, right? We've replaced the inner tube, we've put on a brand new tyre. Now there's only one thing to do, right? Let's get out of here. Meow.